How can you increase your confidence and lift up your mood when you're feeling insecure? Hi, my name is Ilona V from blutionaires.com, and I know that especially in these coronavirus times, many of us feel very insecure and fearful about the future. Nobody knows what's going to happen and how long each country is going to be in a lockdown, but there is something very important that you can do. Now, some of these tips are something that you can start kind of like gathering your own library, your confidence library. But what you can do, even if you don't have such a library just yet, you can reach out to your past memories where you have felt confident and positive. The idea is to refer back to your greatest moments where you have felt unstoppable and super confident. Think about when you have had a very great day and try to really reminisce now without any memos that you may have made. How did you feel that day? It may help you when you close your eyes and relive those moments of supreme confidence. What factors contributed to you having such an awesome, energetic feeling? Was it something that you helped somebody else? Did you meet your own expectations and your own goals? Did you possibly break and reach a long time target of yours? What was it? Try to remember those factors, and the more that you can remember, the more you can also try and feel that confidence and positivity again. Very often we actually have these positive moments with friends and family. So just right now, pause this video and relive one of the happiest, most confident, most positive moments. Because when you do so, you can actually elevate your state, and you can change your state from fear to positivity and being more trustful, more reliant on the future. And it has made a huge difference to me personally, and I truly wanted to share this with you. Start building a library of sorts for yourself. Every day when you feel very positive and confident and secure in your own abilities, your mindset, when those memories are still fresh in your memory, it's the best moment to take out your phone, or any if you're journaling, just write it down by hand. That's something that I do, because then I can actually remember the things even better. For some reason it makes a difference for me. But the most important thing is that you write it down. What are the factors that contributed to you feeling so awesome and unstoppable, and what really elevated your state and your vibration? I hope this helps. Remember to subscribe, and remember that the major key to your better future is you. Cheers. Talk soon. Bye-bye.